to Community Matters, a look at our 9 Family Connection partners. And when it comes to community outreach, it is hard to debate the love our next guest has for all sorts of Central Floridians, even those four-legged friends. Connie Gellner, co-owner of Stanley Steemer of Central Florida, is with us. And hi, Connie. Thanks so much for being here, and thank you for your longtime partnership.
Thank you for having me. I think it's been 16 years.
Yeah.
I don't know. Forever it feels like, but it's forever in a good way.
Yeah, so. It really is. It's in a good way. And your heart and your husband, Mark, the other owner of Stanley Steemer, have been such an impact on our community. When you reflect back on that more than 15-year relationship, talk about what that's done for you and how you feel about helping the community.
I tell you, 9 Family was one of the best things that ever happened to us, to bring our charities together. We were giving to the community so much, and we were stretched so thin. But 9 Family brought it together, and we were able to support streamlined charities that really meant more to us through our heart and our employees. We showed them how they could give back by volunteering, not just financial, but being out there and in the community and actually seeing the needs in the community.
And through that time, I feel like I have become friends with you and your husband. You're friends to our community, and you're also friends to the best, and those are our furry little friends. Yeah. And the Pet Alliance. And it's an obvious marriage between cleaning your carpets and pets because of accidents, but it's also because you love animals so much.
It is. Our family, I mean, I married into it, as well as my family. Our kids, we've adopted from local shelters, Pet Alliance specifically, but we believe in animal welfare. Those animals do not have a voice. Humans kind of have a voice. They can make or break themselves, right? Not an animal, not a dog or a cat that needs a home. They can't speak. So we want to be their voice. So that's why we're so involved in the animal welfare community.
And you also put your money where your mouth is. I'm not going to put you on the spot on how much you have given to Pet Alliance for their new facility. I just know personally it's a lot of money. That wasn't something that you brag about. That's just something that you've done with the monies that have come to you. You've given back to those pets and to Pet Alliance.
Yep. Ever since their fire, we've been thoroughly involved in their capital campaign of building their building. So we felt like we had to walk the walk and talk the talk. And if we're going to be helping them raise money, we ourselves needed to be involved. So we are sponsoring a couple of areas in the new shelter. We're going to have the education room named after our family, and then we have a dog run of kennels that will be named after our family. And that was huge for us to be able to imprint in our community where we built this business. And we just are so excited. I mean, they're supposedly going to open in February, so we are just thoroughly excited for Central Florida. They're going to get a Class Act shelter, and it's going to be amazing for homeless pets, and especially cats and dogs in the area.
You can also foster, which helps out, temporary, and many times the fosters fall in love, and it's a member of their team.
We're foster failures, so we know all about that.
Our foster success stories.
Yes.
Speaking of a member of your team, the Steem team, what is that? How does that work?
We developed that probably about 10 to 12 years ago, and we really wanted to show our employees how they could get involved in the community and really show them it's not all about money. It could be time, it could be effort, it could be just organizing something to help raise money for Pet Alliance, or it could be Annabelle's Closet for abused women, all the way to Toys for Tots. So we try to, like I said, walk the walk, talk the talk. We want our employees involved, and sometimes that's not just financial, it's volunteering and being there where they need you.
Well, on behalf of Central Florida and on behalf of the voiceless, our pets, we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I love animals as well. And so when I see someone like you and your husband doing this, that's not something that we should not recognize. We really do as a community. Thank you. It's awesome.
Thank you.
All right. Keep it going. Stanley Steemer.
Thank you.
More from our community partners next.
At McCoy Federal, we're more than just a place to bank. We're here for people, our members. For some, it's buying their first home. For others, it's finally opening that small business. And for many, it's simply knowing that their money is safe and working for them. With great rates, no hidden fees, and a team that knows you by name, McCoy is where banking feels personal again. For over 70 years, we've been here for Central Florida, helping people, families, and businesses grow. McCoy Federal, we're more than just banking.
If your family's anything like mine, life brings in dirt and messes. Sit back, relax, and leave the deep cleaning to the pros. Your home isn't clean until it's Stanley Steemer clean.
Stanley Steemer gets your